Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will be doing rainbow words, and you will need 3 different colored crayons. Our first word is drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. With your first crayon, write drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. Second crayon. D-R-A-G. And third crayon. D-R-A-G. Drag. Our next word is grip. G-R-I-P. Grip. Please write grip. G-R-I-P. Grip. With your second crayon, write grip. G-R-I-P. Last crayon. G-R-I-P. Grip. Our next word is brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. With your first crayon, please write brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. Second crayon. B-R-I-M. Brim. Last crayon. B-R-I-M. Brim. Next, we have the word trek. T-R-E-K. Trek. First crayon, write trek. T-R-E-K. Trek. Second crayon. T-R-E-K. Trek. Last crayon. T-R-E-K. Trek. Our next word is trip. T-R-I-P. Trip. First crayon. T-R-I-P. Trip. Second crayon. T-R-I-P. Third crayon. T-R-I-P. Trip. Next word is trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. First crayon, write trap. T-R-A-P. Next crayon. T-R-A-P. Trap. Last crayon. T-R-A-P. Trap. Next we have fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. First crayon, write fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. Next crayon. F-R-E-T. Fret. Last crayon. F-R-E-T. the word crop. K-r-o-p, crop. First crayon. K-r-o-p, crop. Second crayon. K-r-o-p, crop. Third crayon. K-r-o-p, crop. Next word is trim. T-r-i-m, trim. First crayon. T-r-i-m, trim. Next crayon. T-r-i-m, trim. Last crayon. T-r-i-m, trim. Last word. P-r-o-p, prop. First crayon. P-r-o-p, prop. Second crayon. P-r-o-p, prop. Last crayon. P-r-o-p, prop. Way to go. Flip over your paper. Prop. Hi friends. On this side, we are working with our blends. You can see there's some pictures. And at the very bottom, we have our blends. Burr, cur, der, ger, per, ter, and fur. With our pencil, we are going to be writing the beginning R blend that goes with each picture. My first picture is of a brick, burr. I'm going to use B-R for brick. Next, we have a crab, crab. Please write the blend you hear. K-r, crab. Then we have frog, fur. I hear the F-R blend, fur. Then I have truck, truck, tur. I hear T-R, truck. Next line, we have a picture of a drill, dur, dur. What blend do you hear? That's right, D-R, dur. Next is a bridge, bridge, burr. B-R, bridge. My next picture is of a frame, frame. I hear fur. Then we have a crocodile, cur. What blend says cur? That's right, C-R, cur. Now we have a triangle, tur. I hear the blend T-R, tur. Oh, then we have grapes, gur. Please write the blend you hear in grape. Next picture is of a dragon, dur. What blend do you hear in dragon? That's right, D-R, dur. Our next picture is of a paper, and it is going to print, print, purr. Last line, we have a dress. Dr. Just like dragon and dress, they both start with DR. Then I have some fries. Fur. FR blend. A tree is next. Tree. Please write the blend you hear in tree. Last picture is of a crown. Please write the blend you hear in crown. Good job, my friends. You did great.